Chickens are an amazing animal to be adding to your homestead this year, especially because the price of eggs and meat is going up so much. Now, not only can chickens be used for eggs, but they can also be used for meat. And today we're going to cover the top 3 breeds that you should be adding to your homestead this year if you're looking to grow your own meat source. And the first breed that you want to think about adding is going to be the Cornish Cross. Now, the Cornish Cross is definitely one of the most popular breeds of chicken when looking to get started with raising meat chicken, or also known as boiler chicken. And that is because they're going to grow out to size really fast, anywhere from around 6 to 8 weeks, which is insanely fast. In that 6 to 8 weeks, they're actually going to grow around 12 pounds, which is crazy big. But what you are going to notice, so the cons for this breed is they're going to consume a lot of feed. From day one, maybe not day one, but like week 1, they're going to be eating large amounts of feed. You're going to notice a lot more than maybe your laying hens would be eating. This is because their main goal is to eat, drink, sleep, and grow. And grow they will. They're going to grow so fast, and they're going to be a great bird that you can add to your homestead. They're not going to be that great if you want to then transition them into just a bird that you'd have around for laying eggs or free ranging, because they're not going to do that. And honestly, they're going to grow so fast that they're not going to have that long of a lifespan. So you're definitely going to want to keep them at a shorter age and using that meat when it's in the best quality, which is when they're a pretty young chicken. Please forgive this background. We are in full renovation mode at our house, as you can see some of the paint colors that we're testing. But the second breed that's going to be the most popular one for homesteaders and also great for me is going to be the Jersey Giant. And this is considered the world's largest bird. It's going to be able to get to size in around 16 to 21 weeks, which makes it not as favorable for commercial industries because it is a much longer time to get to size. And it is going to be able to grow to anywhere from around 11 to 13 pounds in that time. What is really great about these for the homesteader though is this bird is also going to be great at laying some large brown eggs, and they're a really nice, friendly bird, a docile bird that you can introduce to kids, and they are going to be great at foraging, so it's going to cut down a lot of the costs that you would have with, say, the Cornish Cross chicken. The third top meat breed is going to be the red boiler. This is also a great bird for homesteaders because it loves to forage, which means that it's going to cut down on costs of feed. And this is also a great alternative to the Cornish Cross because it is still going to grow to size in a relatively quick time, anywhere from around 10 to 12 weeks, which is a really good time to grow out to size. And that's it. Those are the top 3 breeds. But comment down below what your favorite breeds are for growing meat chickens. I'll see you guys again next time.